Hi guys, thank you for tuning in to another video. So today I'm just going to be showing you I'm going to be deep conditioning my hair, and I'll be showing you guys exactly the product I'm doing. I'm actually going to be deep conditioning it and just kind of like show you guys the process. And I'm only just going to be using one product. I'm not going to be mixing oil this time around into my hair. I'm just going to use this, and it's the olive oil cholesterol. It's the super shine and moisturizer deep conditioning cream for damaged hair. And basically this is for like a quick conditioning while you could use it in the shower, shampoo, and rinse whatever, and you just you can leave it for like 2 minutes, and then but for deep conditioning you can put it in longer, and you can also add olive oil into it. But I'm not going to be doing all that. I'm just going to apply it directly from the jar to my scalp. This is on clean scalp hair, washed hair. And yeah, I'm just gonna start with this section here. And all I'm doing is just gonna split this with my finger into half, twist this up, okay. Let me sit properly so you guys can see me. Okay. And I'm gonna be using my friend here, my little tangle teaser, whatever. It's really good for detangling. And yeah, my hair is like drying up, and it has this weird smell, like, because all I had was gel in my hair, so now it's like drying out. And this is what it looks like. As you can see, I've used it. Smells good. It has a really good smell, and it has a lot of ingredients, I will say. There's rosemary, there's sage, there's chamomilla, hydrolyzed egg, tea tree, leaf oil, olive, and some other words some other words that I cannot pronounce, but hey, this will do for now. I just like the way it makes my hair feels. So I feel like it gives my hair a good slip, and I usually work this in to my scalp. So I feel like us natural hair girls or women, we have so much more to do with our hair, as in like there's so much versatility. Oh my goodness, I can't even talk. With natural hair. However, it does require a lot of work, I know, like, I spent a lot of time trying to take care of my hair and stuff like that. See, look at that. I like how it just gives it that slit. I'm gonna work this in to the ends. Look at that. The things we do to our hair. Natural hair gal. If you have 4C, 4B hair, you know the pain. Like, I gotta do this because my hair's gonna be like dry, especially in the warmer weather. All the frizz, everything. Okay, I'm gonna move on now because I feel like I'm spending so much time on this little section. I love the smell of this thing. Like,